we are going to continue today once again this chapter, the portrait of a lady, with the next paragraph. So he is also describing here, the story, okay, which were the thing that was a turning point in their relationship. So many things will try to clear our doubts that what was the thing that was making us separate. Okay, so we are just going to learn them by line by line. My grandmother always went to school with me because the school was attached to the temple. If she was too much fond in a temple, mass, holy scriptures, okay, holy things. So that is why she used to come with me, okay, in a school, okay, and there was a too near of this too near our school. There was a one temple that she used to sit over there to reading something of the holy books, okay. The priest taught us the alphabet and the morning prayers, while the children sat into the row of either side of the veranda singing an alphabets or the prayer into the chorus. My grandmother sat inside the reading the scriptures. Now here once again writer is describing the one thing that how we used to get here knowledge, okay. Means our priest means guruji, okay, means pujari, one who used to teach us what a different kind of prayer and alphabets too, okay. So these were the things, okay, these were the things means he this was the what Hinduism or maybe Hindu um, ideologies were taught us into the such kind of environment, okay. And she used to sit inside the temple to reading something scriptures when we had both finished, okay, when we are completing this, when my school is over and when she is also completing her reading. At that time we would walk back together, okay. This time the village dogs would meet us at the temple door. They follow us over home, groaning and fighting with each other for the chapatis we threw to them. Okay, now here he is also trying to describe the scenery how the stray dogs used to fight for the stale chapati. Now once again we are also going to discuss the next paragraph. It is also interesting paragraph that it is going to highlight the above things. Okay, so please listen it carefully. And so we when my parents were comfortably settled in the city. Okay, now here once again our narrator means Khushwant Singh is trying to tell us when his parents settled in the city. They sent for us, okay, they sent for us. That was a turning point in our friendship, okay. Now there was what the disaster that was come, it was waiting in our relationship. Now what was that turning point? Now once again here writer is trying to tell us what was the turning point. Miss she what above the above two paragraph highlights here. She used to make him ready for school, okay. He also used to spend a lot of time with his grandmother. There are the so many things, okay, there are the so many things that were attached with the grandmother. But right now when he is just coming back to with his parents, okay, this kind of a thing is going to spoil their relationship. So how is it so? So we are going to read this paragraph so we can understand it better well, okay. Although we shared the same room, my grandmother no longer came to school with me. I used to go to an English school into motor bus. There were no dogs into the street, and she took to feeding the sparrow into the courtyard of our city house. Okay. Now when she came with his grandson, okay, in the city at that time her routine life is totally changed over here, okay. Now look at the two lines. What is that? We share the same kind of room. My grandmother no longer come to school with me. Now it is also highlighting the turning point, okay. Miss earlier she used to go with him. Okay, miss she used to drop him into school. Okay, she also used to make him ready, but right now, yeah, what kind of thing it is going, miss, it has been replaced, okay, with the grandmother. What is that here? Motor bus. Okay, motor bus means there is the school bus, okay, which is used to bring the writer, means bring back to the writer, means these are the things we can understand over here, that it is a what, making the what chaos in the relationship. Okay, and there is no dogs. Okay, now she is also aparted from the what, the street dogs. With these street dogs, what it's also make the such kind of the what, a, different kind of a corner, the love and affection in for the what, uh, Miss grandmother used to look after that things. We can understand this thing. Okay, so that is the reason she started to what, feeding the sparrow in the courtyard to our city house. As the year rolled by, we saw less of each other. Now the year after years, okay, when I was getting younger, okay, so writer is also trying to tell us that the grandmother used to, okay, means we were used to meet very less of time. Okay, there you were, there was where what, less less thing or few moments that we used to come together. For some time she continued to wake me up and get me ready for school. Some means some other days she also used to come in my room, okay, and she used to make me ready for school. Okay, these are the things, these are the things are very common for what, Kushwan Singh. But now when I came back, she would ask me what the teachers had taught me. Okay, now and now she was too much eager that what the things that have been taught in the school. Okay, now in a about two paragraphs highlights here that she used to she also used to spend her time with the what, with the holy books, we can say. But right now here, right now what the thing is, it is also going to make here the turning their relationship, we can say. Yeah, it is also making the disturbance in their relationship now. So so we can going to understand it. I would tell her English words and the little things of the Western science and turning, the law of gravity, Archimedes' principle, the word being round, etc. This made her unhappy. Okay, so these are the things. Now it was a totally, or we can say here, the Western things that it, Western things or Western science or Western knowledge, that it was a just nurture in the schools. So it was a making her disturbed, it was making her disappointed. Okay, what was that? She could not she could not help me with my lessons. She did not believe in the things that they taught at the English school, and was a distress that there has no teaching about God and scriptures. Now I had already told you that what was the turning point in their relationship. Once again, now we can going to understand the what, the grandmother, what she is also trying to see in her grandson, that how her grandchild should be. Okay, now these are the things. Once again, we can say here that there is no place for God and what holy things. It also make her disappoint. It was also distressing a thing that we can understand in this paragraph. Once again, it is also going to highlight, and once again here the what, Khushwant Singh also trying to tell us the how what was her prospect. I mean to say perspective. So what was her different kind of approaches to toward the what, the things were taught. Okay, so look at this once again. One day I announced that we were being given a music lesson. she was very disturbed. Okay, when I told her, Miss Khushwant Singh told her that they were being taught musical lesson at that time. It makes her too much disturbed. What was her approach toward the musical theme that were taught into the school? So now look at this one. To her, music had a lavid association. Lavid means here we can say lavid means here indecent. Okay, indecent. Okay, lavid means indecent association. It was the monopoly of the harlots. Monopoly means monopoly of harlot. Harlot means it is a very simple word that harlot is the one person who is okay, harlot and beggars and not meant for the gentle folk means there is no I mean to say that the things should be taught into the such way that it is not in a such way the musical things that were not taught means it is not meant for the gentle folk. Okay, now the gentle people are now these things should be taught in a such manner that we can develop the such kind of a different kind of thing, but here she used to believe in a different way. Okay, she said nothing but her silent meant a disapproval, and she didn't approve that are being taught. Okay, she rarely talked to me after that. Okay, and now here was the thing that was going to change our relationship. Thank you.